Have you ever had a stamp set where one of the stamps would look perfectly adorable facing each other, or maybe even facing away from each other, but it's not in the stamp set? Would you like to learn a technique today on Technique Tuesday of how to use one stamp and reverse it, mirror image, make it flip around? I'm going to show you how to do just that. Welcome, my crafty friends. I'm Dawn, creator, Dee Creates Crafts, and this is the channel for simple cards, helpful hints, duplicatable projects you'll have fun making just by watching one of my videos. If this is the kind of channel you're looking for, hit subscribe right now while it's fresh on your mind. I want you to be able to find me again. Are you ready to create some crafts? I'm going to turn this down now. Here we go. You see, get you a little bit lined up. All right, there's gonna be a little bit of a glare, but we will fix that. I promise, I promise. The technique is called either mirror image or reverse image stamping. So take your pick when you go look for it. That's what it's called. I am gonna use just some Tuxedo Black ink on an image. The image I'm using is just so cute and fun. It's from the stamp set, Nothing's Better Than. Nothing's better than coffee, cookies, cocktails, or chocolate. Am I right? All of us love at least one of those four. And today I'm gonna use the cocktails because I felt like it had more of an obvious direction to it. And I'm gonna share in a second an issue I found with this technique where I chose not to use any of the other stamps. Why I chose this particular stamp. All right, so the ink is down. I'm gonna press and wait a second and let the image get into my paper and flip it around, and there you go. How cool is that? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean my mat and explain what the mat is and why I'm using it. The mat you've seen me use before. This is the Silicone craft mat. You guys, it's $6. Look at it, you have to have it. There's a lot of things I tell you, just use what you already have in your stash. This you have to have. It's only $6. So anyway, see how it does? But nothing sticks to it. You see me use it mostly for the glue, but who knew? We could use it for stamping also. So let me take my little guy off. You do not need a stamp positioning tool. This guy for this technique, this is my comfort level, is using this particular machine, but you can still use your little baby stamp with a block. Da-da-da. Yep, let me get a little more ink on my stamp. Stamp it right next to the other guy. The other cocktail. Now we got cocktails for two. What? Look, reversed imaging. How cute is that? So there's the umbrella on your left side, I think it is, and the umbrella on my right side. And now you've got one stamp, our little cute, adorable, festive, probably Caribbean cocktail. I say Caribbean because I like to cruise. So that's what my drinks look like when I'm out to sea. So this is so cute. How could we make it into a cute card? Well, I've already pulled some stuff together for us, and I've colored it with some of my stamping blends to make it look very festive and cute. Now, I did tell you I was going to share with you one of the reasons I chose the stamp that I chose, the actual cocktail, because I tried this technique with my ladybug, because I thought, oh, animals, children, they would be so cute facing each other. However, what I discovered the hard way, so I'm going to tell you what I've discovered so you don't do it, is you see how it's all matte, it's all closed in. It's not an outline of a stamp. This is an outline. See the difference where this stamp actually stamps the face of the little ladybug? Well, look at that hot mess over here. That is when I tried this technique, and I've tried it with a couple other stamps, and that's when I found out for myself this technique, for the most part, can only be done with image stamping, like outlines that we're gonna go ahead and color in. And I'll do a whole nother class on coloring with blends. Don't worry about that one bit. And I want to pop this up, get our cute little card finished. But what'd you think of this technique? The blends do bleed through, which is why I tend to do it when I color with blends, which is kind of like a Copic marker. It's an alcohol marker. I use a layer versus directly on the stamp, on the actual card, because it would show through to the other side, and you know me, I'd hate it. All right, this is gonna be so cute popped up, and I've already got us a little sentiment stamped and cut. I do wanna, let me see where that is. Okay, I'm gonna add a little glue to the inside, and then my little guys. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. There we go. So I'm also gonna add some bling. You know I do. You're gonna faint because I'm not gonna put a ribbon. All right, I just thought these little guys were so cute, so cute. So today is, I'll just put it flat in the middle. It's a cocktail kind of day. Sure is. Oh my goodness, that's cute. Should I put it over here? Yeah, why not? I put way too much thinking into my bling, you guys. True confession. And then what I did, I came in with my Wink of Stella. It's just a little shimmer, not even color, just a little shimmer. And I put it on top of my limes. Are you gonna make limes or are you gonna make lemons? Let's make, what do they say? Make lemonade? Oh my gosh, I just amused myself. All right, so nothing's better than stamp set. It's in the main catalog. Look at all the stamps, look at all the sentiments, and you can play up with these sentiments. Today is a cocktail kind of day. You can just, the plan for today is cocktails. I mean, you can really play with these sentiments. Precious. And there's a matching die set if you so desire. And the reason I'm telling you about the products I use is because I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And the whole reason I started DD Creates Crafts channel is to introduce you to me, introduce you to the Stampin' Up! Products, and then I want to show you how to use the products that you order and show you how to use them with simple cards and projects. Links for the products I used in today's video are going to be in the description section. And when you order products with me, yeah, it helps support the channel, but you get thank you gifts from me with each and every order. Are you having fun? Did you learn a new technique? Go like this, boop, hit the like button and tell other crafters to come see my videos. I'm going to turn the camera up now, so if you get dizzy or seasick like I do, close your eyeballs for one quick second. All right, we're wrapping it up. What do you think? I'm gonna have you tell me what is your favorite? What is nothing better than? Nothing better than coffee, nothing better than cookies, nothing better than cocktails, or nothing better than chocolate. That's your homework to tell me in the comments section which is your favorite of these loves that we love as women. I guess as people, but since I'm a woman, I say as women. I want you to remember my 3 things. I want you to remember to like the video. I want you to remember to subscribe to my channel. I want you to find me again, and I want to get to know you better too. And I want you to watch the next technique video. Where do you find it? It is under a playlist called Techniques. So go to the main DD Creates Crafts page. It'll say like home, videos, community, playlist, and it's under playlist. There's all kinds of fun ideas, including a recipe under community, but definitely your next video, if you want a technique, is under the techniques. I am going to see you again this Friday. We're gonna have our weekly card class, and I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I think you're gonna like the card. I hope to see you back then. Bye, you guys.